Here at NextLab, we design technologies under a principle called extendability. We believe a design is successful only when it can be extended to work from one environment to another. For example, we design mobile software for commercial purposes that can then be extended for humanitarian use. We also design the other way around, extending it from humanitarian to commercial. Sometimes, people are skeptical that academic research can be used for both commercial and humanitarian ends. The work we've done with Estafeta, our industry partner, is a solid example that this can be done. Oscar Howell, the company's chief technology officer, understood this right away. The mobile logistics platform we developed with Oscar and his team at Estafeta is currently being implemented in its distribution network. And Oscar is eager to extend it to help the cause of disaster relief in developing countries. We're now looking for a local humanitarian organization to help us achieve this goal. I'm about to meet with Natalia, an expert in humanitarian logistics and a visiting scientist at the MIT Center for Transportation and Logistics. We've been discussing incorporating mobile phones into her disaster relief operations. I think she may be the kind of collaborator we're looking for. Let's go see her. Hi Natalia, how's it going?
Hi Jonathan, things are good. I have been looking over the documents you sent me on NextLab's use of mobile phone in logistics, and I'm really impressed. I think that there is a lot of potential here.
Glad to hear that. So you think you may be interested in working with us?
Oh yes, logistics are as important to humanitarian efforts as they are to commercial enterprise. The advantages that a viable mobile logistics platform can offer to business operations are equally applicable to humanitarian efforts. Rapid development, low cost, easy adoption.
Yeah, I did notice that we're working on mobile platforms for healthcare delivery. It's one example where the commercial platform only requires minor tweaks for humanitarian use. It's a simple case of extendability in action. The technology works the same way.
Of course, healthcare can benefit greatly from mobile logistics, but I was thinking more about its application in disaster relief. These operations require a response time that makes them differ from commercial models. When a disaster hits, 24 hours might be too late.
I see. So what are some of the other differences that you think we should consider?
The most important thing is the level of uncertainty. In commercial logistics, demand can be anticipated, decision makers are known, everything is structured. But with large-scale disaster relief, demand cannot be anticipated. There are hundreds of decision makers and interactions are chaotic.
Not to mention damaged infrastructure.
Exactly, but NextLab's extendable model is prepared to deal with these contingencies, right? It seems that the transition it would be relatively problem-free.
Yes, it was Oscar's leadership that effectively brought the rest of his organization on board. And their contribution has formed a solid basis for this project. It's amazing how quickly they got it.
So they have contributed a lot already?
Yes, they have helped us with a design that is entirely extendable. And thanks to them, we have valuable field experience.
Oh, that's great. Collaboration is the very foundation of disaster relief. I'm very happy to collaborate.
Excellent. We're glad to have you on board. I'll put you in touch with Oscar and we'll talk soon.
Oh yes, let's follow up.
Definitely. I'll email Oscar right away.